shift. What do you mean by the vertical shift? Means the graph will move up by one step because of the plus. So what you do first is we look at this part. We just sketch the modulus 2x first. So the standard modulus 2x graph will be something like this. This is the standard graph of modulus 2x. This is 0. So this is the graph of y equal to modulus 2x. First step. But now there is a vertical shift of plus 1. So what does that actually mean? My graph from the 0 here on the y will move up to 1. So my graph now will look something like this. So this is the graph of y equal to 2x plus 1. Can you understand this, Mr. Menu? Because plus 1 ma, so the graph touched the y-axis at 0, correct or not, Menu?
Yes.
So when
Oh,
there's a
okay.
plus, it go up one place, no? One step go up, no?
Okay.
Okay, huh? Okay. All right. I'll do one more with you. Okay. Now there's a modulus x minus 1 plus 3. Right. Clear this off. Can I clear Menu?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Not sure, ask. Musai Keng. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let's go next one. Okay. We go for the next one. All right. Okay. I clear this off. Okay, first step, I go one by one. Y equal to modulus x minus 1 plus 3. So first step, I look at this menu. I sketch this graph. So when I sketch this graph menu, it is x minus 1. Correct or not? So minus 1 will go to the right 1. So my graph would be something like this. And it will touch here exactly at 1. First step. But now you saw the vertical shift there, there's a plus 3 there. So what does this actually tell me? My graph from 1 will go up 3 places. So that means it is going to go up to 4. And we know the value of y here is 0. Whenever I look at the vertical shift, I take note of this keyword. Whenever you see this as called the vertical shift, you just look at the y. Anywhere on the graph got y, look at that. So the next part of y is here, y 0. So plus 3, that means it will go up to 3 here. So your graph would be something like this. Can you understand me? It will move up 3 steps. 0 move up to 3, 1 move up 3 will go to 4. That's all. This is what we
Mm-hmm.
call the vertical shift part. Any problem, Mingyu?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Okay, now I go to the next one. Okay, this is y equal to 4 minus this. One thing I noticed, the negative is in front of the modulus. The negative is in front of the modulus. So according to the theory which I gave you just now, I gave you this is the standard graph of a modulus. This is how a standard graph of a positive modulus looks like. But when it becomes a negative menu, the whole graph will go the other way around. This is the graph of a modulus negative menu. That means it will flip the other way around. So for us, in our question, you saw got negative 3x, right? So the standard graph now would be this. This is the graph of y equal to negative modulus 3x. But there is a positive 4 here. The 4 is not negative, the 4 is a positive. So what does this actually tell me? My graph will go up to 4. So the graph would be something like this. This is how the graph is going to go up to 4. Do you understand this, Mingyu?
Mm.
This is how the graph is going to be. It will move up to 4. All right, I'll go 1. Okay, look at H. Y equal to modulus 3x minus 6, 2. As usual, first my concentration is on this. Minus 6 will go here, 6 divide 3, 2. This is the standard first. But now you notice there is a minus 2 here, correct?
Yes.
Okay, this value you already know it's 6. So minus 2 means will come down to 4. Here you know y is 0. Will come down to negative 2. So your graph would be something like this. This is how it looks like.